Hey everyone, this is Maggie with Boreas Campers. We are so pumped to partner with Boreas Composite Panels and VanCafe to give away a free Propex furnace. This is a great unit for truck campers, van builds, camper trailers to keep the space nice and toasty. VanCafe offers conversion kits for a wide range of vans. Boreas Campers offers chassis, off-road suspension and hitches, coolers, solar panels, awnings, a wide range of accessories. And Boreas Composite Panels offers composite panels that are light, rugged, and very well insulated compared to other building materials. The contest starts November 1st and runs through November 12th. Make sure to follow all 3 accounts on Instagram and sign up for emails at the link in our bio or in the comments to be entered into the competition. We'll announce a winner on November 17th. Good luck and happy building!